Hi! Good morning! Have a wonderful and fruitful day! Let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a godly wisdom from the book of Proverbs. Because I believe with all my heart that a Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen and learn, my beloved friend, to this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 20, verse 24, the Lord directs our steps. So why try to understand everything along the way? My friend, don't be overthinking about your journey in life. Just trust the Lord with all your heart because He knows what is the best for us. So why try to understand everything? My friend, you cannot understand. But just believe God. As you walk along the way, you will reach your destination. As the Bible declares that the step of the righteous is ordered by the Lord. So don't worry. Just trust Him. Because the word of the philosopher says, overthinking or too much analysis will lead you to paralysis. So avoid overthinking, my friends. Just a reminder to everyone, and I declare shalom, shalom, peace and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more.